Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, an Ep3 in the house. It's got some modifications on it. It's got a great big filter and a Skunk2 Ultra Series Inlet Manifold, along with a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system. It is our mandate today to give it a map and see what power we can make. Now, we have actually tuned this one before in a previous incarnation of parts, but we've got some different parts on it now. So our plan is to make some power. Much enthusiasm.
Yeah,
I like this car because it's an EP3 Type R, but he's gone a little bit stealth because he's got some are they the 1.6 alloys or diesel alloys on it or something?
Yeah, he sort of put a few bits onto.
It's got like a
D-Type R on the outside.
He's got like a 1.6 grille and he's took the Type R badge off the back. I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, made it look more like a sort of 1.6 Sport or whatever.
Unsuspecting.
Yeah.
Unsuspecting gappage. And it will gap some things now because it's had a couple of modifications since it last seen us. We were talking about breathing mods last time, if you go and watch the video. And he's done some. I think we're up. I think we've got an induction kit. We've got a Skunk2 Pro Series inlet manifold and a Tegiwa 70mm. And, you know, it's already got a 4-to-1. But these are sort of mods that we recommend. If I'm being picky, which I often am, the Skunk2 Ultra Series will deliver more power.
Yeah, he's put the Pro Series on, ain't he, to be fair.
But it's
still a big improvement. I mean, if you look at the graph from where we were before, you could see where his old breathing mods were sort of filling up restriction, then coming back, and it's sort of the graph I mean, when I say waves, I mean we're talking a few brake horsepower each way, but it was sort of wavy. We came up and on and off and on. Now it's a nice smooth linear graph. The only thing is you can slightly see at the top end where we're getting a restriction at the top. It just flattens off on the last sort of 1,000 RPM at the top again. Whereas I think if we'd have gone for the Ultra Series, you'd have probably just made that last kick at the end, if you understand what I mean.
But we're up at like sort of 235 brake.
Yeah, 235. I think that's fine. I think that last 5 brake is that last 1,000 RPM rev range where it would have kicked up, like I say, that last 5 brake at the end with the Ultra Series. But it is what it is. We're tuning on the mods we've got. But the graph definitely looks smoother. The torque's up and the power's up. So
really happy.
Can't moan at that, can you?
Absolutely not. Shall we show them the graph?
Yeah, let's have a look at the graph.
Let's do it.
Well, say it with me, lads. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Yes, a good result there, a good result. It's had some modifications since we last tuned it, and yeah, it's up on power now. So we finish on 238, which is fantastic. Another one in the bag. And a bit of a sleeper, this one, on these sorts of alloys and these sorts of badges, but I really enjoyed it. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Code word, modifications. Bang that in the comments below, because it's modifications that count on a K20 engine. It's all about breathing. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.